Hi, I'm Priyam Agarwal from Hama, Germany. I'm the country head for Hama, and Hama is a German brand based out of Germany. We we are an electronics accessories brand basically, and we operate in more than 50 countries with a product range of 15,000 plus products. We employ more than 2,500 people worldwide, out of which 60% of the people are employed in Germany alone. That's the reason we always say we are a pure German company. Our turnover last year was 650 million euros, which is approximately 6,500 crore Indian rupees. We operate in more than 50 countries. We have 20 regional offices worldwide, and we have opened the India operations maybe before 2.5, 3 years now. And the market is very interesting. So we have launched around 300 products in India as of now, which covers mobile accessories, which covers gaming accessories, IT accessories, and many other products. Hama is known for quality. All our QCs, all our R&Ds are in-house. We don't compromise on quality because majority of our sales comes from Europe, and the laws in Europe are very strict in terms of quality control. In India, we provide a warranty of at least 5 years for all the products, which is a very unique feature, and that is the confidence which we show on the brand. Okay, and the warranty, unlike most of the brands, is not through the service center. The warranty is a table replacement warranty that we give, resulting into ease of customer satisfaction, ease of dealer interaction, and all the headaches are taken care of. So that way we are very well placed in terms of quality, in terms of pricing. We are a mid-segment brand. We are targeting the mid-segment in India. So we are not the entry level. We don't compete with the entry level brands. But yes, we are a mid-segment brand with a premium quality, which one should try for. Secondly, we are known for innovation. So we bring small innovations in accessories. Like for example, very recently we launched first in India the keyboard with detachable cables and the Assist AI key. Okay, so we bring small innovations to the market which people follow later on, but that is the edge that we have. Secondly, our portfolio is quite big, which makes sure that the retailer or the wholesaler has all the goods under one roof. More to say about it, some of the HDMI cables, for example, we have 10 years warranty. In fact, all HDMI cables we have 10-year warranty. We have the certified cables which hardly any brand makes in India. We have excellent quality of car chargers, cables, charging cables. We give 5-year warranty, which hardly any brand looks forward more than 6 months. We give 5-year warranty on that. Our gaming products are made for sincere gamers, not for just the RGB colors, but they are made for sincere gamers with top-end material and top-end chipset that we use. Yes, a very good question. So we are very much keen on Make in India. In fact, tomorrow a team of 5 people is coming from Germany for Make in India project. This is the second trip for them. We are talking to certain factories in India for Make in India, and the best part for Make in India is we are not looking only for India. We are looking for exports from India to Europe market. So this is something very unique with our company, with Hama. Most of the companies make in India, sell in Hama, whereby they compromise quality for the pricing. But for us, we are looking at Make in India project for export in European market. So whatever will be made in India will be exported to the European market, which will add further not only for the supplier in India but further for India also, because in this segment, India is not at all there exporting the products at all. Like it will be very minuscule even if they are doing it. So this is the advantage with Hama. So yeah, Make in India is a very serious project. And if you are here tomorrow, maybe you can meet the 5 Germans who are here with us tomorrow. So you are doing a great job. You are helping brands like us to reach to the retailers and to the distributors through your magazine. And for the customers, we always say look for quality. Sometimes prices can mislead you, photos can mislead you, because we have seen people buying from Amazon and people complaining us, "Arey yaar, same product is available for say half the price." So photos in China are the same. The factories give the same photo, but what matters is the quality of the product, the results of the product, and maybe that 50-100 rupees will help you or will increase your customer experience, the usage experience. When you spend 50-100 rupees extra in buying a quality product, which will really increase or enhance your experience with the product. So this is the message to the customers which I would like to say: focus on quality, focus on pricing.